All right, bring it back just a little more.
Okay, let's get this first pallet of jackfruit inside. Watch the edge.
The bright yellow jackfruit bulbs are carefully plucked from the rind and placed onto a scale, ensuring only the best product is collected.
The temperature is holding steady at 95.
Good. Maintain the cycle for another 2 minutes.
Here we see the draining and surface moisture reduction phase, preparing the bulbs for slicing.
On the industrial mandolin line, the high-speed slice utilizes a spinning blade cartridge to cut the bulb.
As the warm, dry air circulates, the jackfruit chips gradually lose moisture, transforming into a deep, rich golden color.
Ambient air is circulated by large fans, solidifying the seasoning and bringing the chips to a safe packaging temperature. The high-speed checkweigher ensures precision. Under or overweight bags are swiftly rejected by the pneumatic arm into the correction bin. This industrial robot demonstrates remarkable efficiency, building a towering load layer by layer using a pre-programmed interlocking pattern.
If you could just sign here for the final manifest.
Sure thing. There you go. Have a good night.